Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken 8 on mobile. It's important to understand that Tekken 8 is not officially available on mobile devices. You won't find it for direct download on any app store. Any claims of a mobile version are likely unofficial and could potentially harm your device or compromise your data. Therefore, we'll explore the only viable method to experience this game on your phone. Since Tekken 8 isn't native to mobile, cloud gaming is your best bet. This technology streams the game from powerful remote servers directly to your phone, much like watching a video. To ensure a smooth experience, you'll need a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally 5G or a strong Wi-Fi 6 network. Also, a compatible mobile device and a Bluetooth game controller are essential for proper gameplay. Several cloud gaming services can help you play Tekken 8. GeForce Now lets you stream games you already own on PC, while Xbox Cloud Gaming provides access to a large library with a Game Pass Ultimate subscription. It's vital to check if Tekken 8 is supported on your preferred service before committing. Each platform has different game libraries and subscription tiers to consider. Once you've chosen a service and confirmed Tekken 8 availability, the next step is simple. First, pair your Bluetooth controller with your mobile device for the best gaming experience. Then, open the cloud gaming application, log in, and select Tekken 8 from the available games. You'll be streaming the game directly to your phone, ready to fight. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your mobile Tekken 8 experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.